Tonight we're going to be making pizzas in a cast iron skillet. So I've actually got my burner turned on just to kind of warm the skillet up. But we're going to start and we're going to put some olive oil all around this skillet. It's going to look like a lot, but that's fine. Then Hannah's going to kind of brush it all in. Watch your arm. And this is something really fun you could do with your kids. That's really easy to do, and it's kind of lets them be artistic with the pizza. And it's delicious.
And you see bubbles in there.
Yep. So rub it all around the sides. Yep. Okay. So what we did, we actually went to the grocery store and bought pizza dough. So it just comes in a big ball. And you just bring it to room temperature. So we're going to stick this in here.
Okay. And we also have to put some of this on the pizza.
Yep, some of the olive oil. Yep.
Yeah, so
we're going to kind of push this. The skillet's really not that hot right now.
Yeah, so you have to push it to the edges so it can like
Yep.
there.
We're going to push it, kind of get those gases out of the dough as well.
Yeah.
If we push it against the sides, we will kind of make that little crust on the outside.
Can I do my mixing now?
Yep, so we're going to put a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit.
That's
Okay.
not a little bit.
All right, brush it in.
And then, don't worry, you can have olive oil on pizza. It
Yep.
tastes really good.
Olive oil on pizza. Yep. Brush it in, brush it all around the sides, like the edges. That'll kind of give it a little crust.
You guys, it's off.
It's on. Okay. Currently the oven is preheated to 550. If your oven only goes to 500, that's fine. Just crank it up to as high as it'll go, and you can just adjust the timing accordingly. Just kind of keep an eye on it. Okay.
Yeah, you gotta keep an eye on it.
Yep.
We got the brush at Lodge in Tennessee.
Okay, so now we are going to come in here with a little bit of sauce.
I want to pour it in on there. I want to pour it in.
I'll put it on there, and then you can brush it around, okay? And you don't need a crazy amount of sauce on here. You put a ton, it'll kind of make it real soft and soupy.
And no, I want to mix it in there.
Not yet.
And these are the kids' bowls with the what are they called again? Parmesan in them.
Parmesan or Reggiano in there.
It's Parmesan.
Okay, can you brush it around for me?
Yeah.
Show 'em, go up clear to the edges.
What if I get it on here?
All around.
What if I get it on the...
You won't.
And Bubby's watching Ryan Trahan.
Yep, keep going. Okay, I'm going to do just a little bit more. Not much, just a little.
And then I
Okay.
don't know...
Spread it around.
Yeah, we don't want to put too much sauce.
Yep. Okay. So now, you can see that brush. Okay, we're going to take some Parmesan or Reggiano right here. Can you sprinkle just a little bit on there, please? Yep. Yeah, get you some and kind of sprinkle it. This is your preference. Some people don't like Parmesan, so... But the kids love Parmesan, so...
We love it on
Makes sense.
spaghetti. Wait, do I
Keep
do
going.
all of it?
No. Yep, sprinkle it. Just get it all in here. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, put that down. I'm going to grab the shredded cheese.
A little bit more. Yeah.
Okay, a little bit more. Okay.
Since I love Parmesan cheese, I have
Okay.
to do this.
So now we're going to get some mozzarella. If you're from the East Coast or from Italy, the mozzarella.
Mozzarella!
Okay? We're going to put the cheese on it. Grab big handfuls of cheese.
No, I don't like stuff. I don't like too much cheese.
We're going to cover that whole pizza up.
No!
It won't be that cheesy, I promise.
Okay.
Yep, keep going. Yep, put it all around the edges. Anything that's going to touch that cast iron skillet is going to give a nice crisp to it.
Nice crisp.
Nice crisp. Okay, do all this.
I know.
And you can play with the ingredients. We're just doing a simple pepperoni and sausage pizza. So I fried the Italian sausage up a little bit ago, and which Hannah has been eating and nibbling on like crazy. So right here.
Yeah. But I only have a little bit left.
That's fine.
And if you run out, then you might, if you still have more left over, you can go get more from
Yep.
what you got.
We can grate some more. Okay.
Gotta pat it down.
Okay. You want to scoop out some the Italian sausage?
Yeah.
Yep, put that on there. Yep, kind of let the kids do whatever their little heart desires.
Not all of it.
No, just kind of cover it up as much as you want. I mean, it's your guys' pizza.
So I'm making it.
Yep, a little bit more.
Daddy, hold it.
There you go. Put it right here. Okay.
You might want to put some on the outside sometimes. And sometimes you can put barbecue and pineapple on pizza. I like it.
Ooh,
What?
getting dangerous there.
What?
Some people don't like pineapple on pizza.
Well, it's good.
It is good. Us Midwesterners or like pineapple. Okay.
Okay. And then we're gonna add some pepperoni.
Yep. So Hannah's gonna put some pepperonis.
I want to put like the person they dated. Oh
It's okay. That could be a mocha treat.
no! Yeah, mocha treat.
Mocha. Here she comes. We don't give her too many table scraps, but it's okay. Making it look pretty? You're not gonna do like a smiley face or anything like that? Just
No.
surprised you're not gonna eat one. Now there. Oh, and you dropped another one. Okay. You're gonna run out of pepperonis.
Mm-mm.
If there's any left over, you can snack on. You love pepperonis, and so does Bubby, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Over here.
Where's that? And then the queen.
What?
The queen.
The queen?
Yeah, the queen. That's what we need one.
Yeah. Okay.
That's why we need one.
So we're gonna take and
I'm gonna put it
put a
on
little
there.
Italian seasoning.
I'm
Okay. Turn it over. Gonna do some shaking. Oh, that's a lot. Just kind of. There you go. Okay.
And we will show you what it looks like when we're done in the oven. We want to put a little bit more.
Well, okay, a little more. So we're gonna put this on the bottom rack. Like I
Just
said,
need
our oven's at
some
550.
mozzarella.
Whatever yours goes up to, just adjust the timing. But I'm gonna check it about 10 to 12 minutes. So stay tuned. About 6 minutes. She's looking really good. Starting to rise up. So it's been 12 minutes. Open it up, sis. So we're gonna let it chill for a couple minutes before we take a look at it. So the pizza's been hanging out for a couple minutes. Looks really, really good. So I'm gonna get it out of this cast iron pan. Get it to slide out here. Everybody says cast iron's hard to cook with. You just gotta know how to cook with it. Then look at the bottom. Nice and crispy. All right, we're gonna get this thing cut up, and we're gonna start eating. Pieces are cut.
I'm gonna try some. I would definitely recommend cooking your own homemade pizza. Like and subscribe.